Hello and welcome again to another edition of our Big Bike Parts Media channel. We're here today with Showchrome Accessories to discuss another safety-related item for the Can Am Spyder F3 models. This particular item is going to be the fog light kits. These fog light kits come complete with everything needed to do the install, including an OEM-style switch. These fog lights produce a beam shining down the road at 6,000 Kelvin in color and 5,600 lumens in total. Again, everything is included for the install, including the OEM-style switch. This product will work on all Can Am Spyder F3 models. If you have any further questions with regards to these Showchrome Accessories fog lights, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE and be sure to like us on Facebook to stay up on all the new items. Again, thank you for watching and safe riding.